Hello everyone, so now we are going to do one basic lab. So in this one, if you see, I will take one router. I am using 2811 router and I am going to take one switch 2960. Okay, and then we will take some computer. So I will take this computer 1 2 3 4 5 6 computer here, 7 8 9 10 11 12. So 12 computers we have one switch. We need to connect all this computer to the switch. This is a basic lab. We can say this is a lab design. Okay, in the university or the colleges they are using the lab, so we are designing this lab. So now if you see, I will connect all the computer there and here to the switch. And let me disconnect this cable and I will connect this cable to this computer, and then this one is connected. Now I will connect the other cable to the other computers. So all the devices are connected here. If you see, if you want, I can move like this. So all the computers are connected here. And now I have one router, so I can connect this router also. This router I am going to configure the DHCP server in this router. So from this router our machine is going to get the IP address. So here I am going to write the IP 192.168.1.1/24. Okay, this is /24. I am going to do the configuration here. So if you see here, I am going to do the basic configuration. I will write here no, then I will write enable config t, host name, I will write R1, and we are going to assign the IP to the interface F0/0, then IP address 192.168.1.1 255.255.255.0, and then I will write no shut. So what I done, I just configure the IP address to the router interface. Now we need to configure the DHCP. So I will write IP DHCP. You can exclude address. I want to exclude some 10 address from 192.168.1.1 till 192.168.1.10, because maybe in the coming days we are going to use some static IP for the server. So I reserve 10 IP from 192.168.1.1 till 192.168.1.10. Here I am using one IP 192.168.1.1, and remaining 9 IP we will reserve later. When we add the servers, we are going to use that one. Okay, so now I need to write IP DHCP pool, and I will give pool name ABC. Then I am going to put network, and whatever IP address we want to give, I will write that network ID, and then subnet mask. So here I am giving the subnet mask. I am using the class C IP. Then we need to write default route. So I will write default router is 192.168.1.1. So this will be the gateway for all the machine, and from this subnet our machine is going to get the IP. So this way we will configure the DHCP server in the router. Now we are going to test our machine will get the IP from the DHCP server or not. So let's see. If you see, I click the DHCP, I am getting this one 192.168.1.11, and this is a subnet mask, and this is a default gateway. Whatever configuration we done, we get that IP only. We told don't give the IP from 192.168.1.1 till 1.10, so we did not get any IP from here. After that, what we told that one, like I need to use this subnet, that is network 192.168.1.0. So from this subnet we need to give the IP, and this should be the default gateway. So we get that here. Let's try for another computer. So I will click here the DHCP, and we can see we will get here also. If you see 1.12, if you go for the other PC, you will get 1.13, 192.168.1.13. Like this you will get the IP. So our DHCP server is working successfully. So what we learn in this lab, how to configure the DHCP server in the router, and this is our basic lab. This is a computer lab. You have the lot of computer here. we are getting the IP to this computer from the DHCP server. I hope you understand. In case if you stuck anywhere, write in the comments or WhatsApp us. We are going to support you. Okay, we are going to support you. Let's see this last PC we get the IP or not, and remaining will follow the same thing. Okay, if you want I can do one more. See here, go here, click DHCP and you will get the IP. So we done successfully this lab. Okay, thank you. Bye.